to soak up all the delicious flavors of our stew. Now, in the same pan, add 1 diced onion. The onion will absorb all those leftover meatball juices, adding depth to our stew. Fry it up until it's softened and smelling amazing. This should take about 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the onions are translucent and fragrant. Time to add the magic. Stir in your smoky meatball stew recipe mix. This mix is what gives our stew its unique smoky flavor. Trust me, the combination of smoked paprika and cinnamon is a game changer. It adds a warm, smoky depth that's simply irresistible. Next, toss in a 400-gram tin of chickpeas, including the water. The chickpeas add a lovely texture and a bit of protein to our stew. Add a 400-gram tin of chopped tomatoes and 150 milliliters of extra water. The tomatoes provide a tangy base that balances the smokiness of the spices. Bring it all to a simmer. This is where the magic happens. All the flavors meld together to create a rich, hearty stew. Time to bring back those meatballs. Tip them back into the pan and let them bubble in that rich, glossy sauce for about 20 minutes. This simmering time allows the meatballs to soak up all the flavors, making them incredibly tender and delicious. If the sauce gets too thick, just add a splash of water. You want the consistency to be just right, not too thick, not too thin. While that's cooking, let's talk about the perfect side. Toasted couscous. It's quick, easy, and pairs perfectly with our smoky meatball stew. Simply toast it gently in a pan before rehydrating for an aromatic and warming addition to your meal. The toasting process adds a nutty flavor that complements the stew beautifully. And there you have it, a smoky meatball stew that's quick, delicious, and perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner. It's a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends. Give it a try with chickpeas or even chicken if you like. The recipe is versatile and can be adapted to suit your preferences. Enjoy your meal and see you next time. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Happy cooking!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.